shot right here is nice.
There's a lot of rooftop now. I think that's the one, no? The second.
Yeah. Do you want to go over there? Or do you want to...
This is also a rooftop, ano? Oh, this is all of this.
All of these have rooftops where you can view.
Where do you want?
Yeah, let's go. That was the whole plan. We were going to have like dinner or something.
Around rivers. This one na?
Good. Look at the screenshot. Look at the shot though. How that looks.
Wow, yeah.
Behind it.
Wow.
Where are we now? What are we waiting on now?
Another tuk-tuk ride. Look at the bumper. Look at the sunset. It's a nice area here.
Where are we at?
I don't know the exact place, but this is popular for Wat Arun view during the sunset. It's by the Chao Phraya River.
Okay.
I don't know the exact alley or road. Do you know?
The Grand Palace. That's the Grand Palace. We're at the corner of the Grand Palace.
Yeah.
Using the Move Me app, so you have to get in and scan your QR code, and then you can hop in. This is cheaper than a Grab.
And cheaper than a regular tuk-tuk.
Yeah.
Like what you can just regularly find on the road. So this is like a tip for travelers here.
Yeah.
So you'll have like fixed price, no more scamming.
There's just a little bit of wait sometimes, but if you do the rideshare option, it can be a tiny bit faster. So.
Yeah, because they're very in demand. It's a really big palace.
It's grand, even.
Yeah. No drivers here, very slow. No, everyone is so fast.
Yes. It's nice. Reminds me of America. You drive maximum speed limit. Wonderful. Alright, we're going to Khoisan Road. I'll save a little footage for there. Where are we now?
We're in Khoisan Road. For the second time, I got German brewery Tawan Duck.
Okay.
Rosé beer.
And I got the Carabao Dunkel, which is a dark beer. And we're gonna sit here and just watch people. We're gonna sit and watch people for a while, and then maybe go back to a dispensary a little bit later. There's a bug on me. Is it good?
It's like a very, very light beer. Very, very light.
Okay.
Unlike Red Horse.
You wanna try the Dunkel? Try a dark beer?
No. Ooh, I think this would be like harder than Red Horse.
Yeah. What do you think?
I think I could drink this.
Dark, kind of like a chocolatey coffee.
I think it's very different from Red Horse. Try it, babe. Try it.
Oh yeah, it's a nice note, like dark beer. It's kind of like a good quality malt liquor, honestly.
What about this? You try this.
That's okay, actually. It's like if Fanta made beer, that's what that tastes like, doesn't it?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna.
How many percent of alcohol is this?
4%. So it's a little bit weaker.
Yours?
Same. It's about half the strength of Red Horse. But it's the cheapest place. These beers were only 50 baht as opposed to like 200 at some places, or 300 we're saying?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we'll come back. We might do some shopping at 7-Eleven before we go home. I think I have enough video left for that.
And I think you're very full pa. You've been complaining about being so full.
Yeah, I've been eating so many snacks, so we'll see you later for more snacks. 7-Eleven snack run.
Yeah, snack call. Let's see what we could get. We don't have. We didn't have our dinner yet.
So what categories? I think at least one sweet, one salty.
Something to drink.
Something to drink. That's good.
Sweet, salty.
We need 2 more categories.
Something that would make you full.
Something to make you full. Okay.
Make you full, sweet. What was the other one?
Salty.
Salty, and then something liquid. Dessert? Ah, we have sweet.
Well, yeah, we're gonna do it out at the last dessert round.
Okay.
Okay, good.
Something that would make us full. A sandwich.
Which one?
Let's try this. Ham and cheese.
We can cook them at the house too if you don't want to eat them right now. Okay.
You have microwave.
There's seaweed.
But this is. I think they're gonna grill this.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not like microwave. It's a grill and then we can reheat it
Okay.
back in the hotel. Let's grill it here.
You don't want a ham and triple cheese?
Where? Oh, I think this is the popular bread. I've been seeing a lot of this. You want? You want?
Sure.
I know you want it. This would make us full.
There's 2 of us.
What about
Something salty.
something salty? Okay. Wait. There's
Okay. Mega beans. This is the flavor we had bought before. Should we get another one so we can sample it?
Okay.
So we can know if it's good. 'Cause that's your favorite dish, right?
Yeah, bad karabaw.
Okay. All right. So now we need something sweet. What's sweet?
Dessert. Or chocolates.
Matcha orange.
They got pizza bread. Wow.
You want some bread as your sweet thing?
No, we got bread already. I thought this is like a mango float.
What is it? Pork floss?
Yeah, pork floss and chili paste bun. What about? Have you had a Milo bar before?
No. Just the big one though.
Okay, that's it. Let's try it. They said it's good too. Something to drink.
Okay.
Both these pouches.
Oh yeah.
What do you want this?
Definitely.
One? That?
No, let's get 2.
Okay.
And maybe get a chocolate one. And then one for me right now, which is an English toffee.
Okay. What else?
What was the last category?
Salty, crispy.
It was crispy category?
Something would make us full.
Yeah, you got that.
Sweet,
And salty.
salty, something to drink.
And
What's the
then
last one?
something crispy sounds like a good category to me.
Four categories. Right?
I guess.
What else is in? Something spicy. You good spicy.
Alright, let's look for something crispy. This is flaming hot chicken and french fries on the front.
Oh, that's something crispy.
Okay.
Okay.
Got it. Will we remember these later when we're doing the eating portion of this? Will we remember the categories, or maybe we can guess what category we thought this was?
Okay, okay.
Do you want ice cream?
No, I'm fine. I want one.
Cool. we going now?
Home to
Well-
try the snacks.
When-
Maybe if we still have room, we could try the other Thai snacks.
Yeah. Hopefully the lighting is good in the room.
Yeah, true.
We'll see. It's the only thing about trying them at night is there's no natural light.
Yeah.
All right.
I forgot.
That's a great question. I don't know.
But I remember we also did that.
Yeah. Honestly, this is why we take pictures, so we'll remember. And we have video, so the video will be like, oh yeah, that's what we did after that thing.
Oh my god, we're so old. It's like to forget things. How big is
How big is it pressed up?
it's a lot of rice for just 60 baht. Look at this.
That's huge.
But it's a different pad krapao. It's big meat. I just chose medium spice.
Okay.
It's so gahi. It's different. It's not.
There's like an egg on top.
Yeah, it's eggs, but it's not. Ground.
Do you want to add some soap?
Let's add the sauce. I think it's vinegar. Oh wow. I think I'll put a little.
Hold on.
Taste test. Ooh. Look at this chilies. Wow.
How does it taste? Uh-huh. And then look at the beautiful view we have on this river. You try the pork now.
Wow.
Good.
Super soft.
I'll try the papaya salad. So we can have a review of everything. And this is just the place next to where we're staying. We ate here on our first night.
Wow.
Yeah, it's good.
The sauce is really good. You should try it. You should also try the pad krapao babe. Okay.
Lots of things.
There's like extra sauce here. But it tastes different when it's like big meat like that, big chunks.
Well, the egg is still juicy.
Ooh. Wow.
So it's very spicy as a medium too.
Really?
This is a good level of spice, yeah. We get a little of the
I
yolk.
thought it would be like easy for you. Super good. And look at the serving of the rice. It's like 60 baht for that. That's big.
Yeah. All right, let's enjoy our food.
Bye.